Hello and welcome to PHL 1010 Critical Thinking. My name is Melvin Sanchez, Professor Sanchez, and I will be teaching this class. I have made this video to give you a very general introduction of what is expected. These are expectations for the grading portion of the class. The assignments and all other information is on the syllabus, so make sure that you have also read the syllabus and also that you are reading the study guide for each unit, because the study guide will tell you what chapters you're supposed to be reading in the textbook. So here's a list of the expectations. First of all, the textbook is your classroom. You must do the assigned readings in the study guide. Each unit will contain either one or two chapters that you're supposed to read, so make sure that you are reading those chapters very carefully. There are no lectures in this course, so all the information that you're going to need in order to be ready for the assessments as well as the assignments will be in the textbook. So make sure that you are doing the assigned readings. You are going to be graded basically on how well you are interpreting those chapter readings. And of course, in order to interpret and explain those chapter readings, you are going to have to do the readings very carefully. Make sure that you use quotation marks whenever you cite something word for word from the textbook. If you are summarizing something, make sure you indicate that you are doing that you are summarizing and not quoting word for word. If you are quoting word for word, make sure that you use quotation marks to carefully delineate what is the textbook author's words, Paul and Elder, versus your words. Use quotation marks and be clear as to what is not your own words. This is all related to plagiarism. Do not plagiarize. Plagiarism is a serious mistake and a dishonest mistake in academia. So make sure that you do not plagiarize. Lastly, it is expected that you use the textbook when completing the assignments. Parts of the assignments will prompt you to apply some of the strategies and concepts from the textbook. Assignments that are informed by the textbook content will receive the best grades. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. I look forward to teaching you, and I hope that you can get a lot out of this class. Thank you.